And my Magic Pet Morphle can morph into anything!
Morphle!
What shall we do today, Morphle?
Morphle want fun!
Ooh, that looks like fun! I know! Morphle! Morph into a monster truck!
Monster truck? Ooh! Morph, morph!
Let's have a monstrously good time!
What monster truck? Aha! Ice cream! Hey! Orphle need drink!
Hey!
Orphle play!
What was that?
Garbage fun!
Morphle! Morph into a tow truck so we can drag this mischievous monster away!
Orphle strong!
Orphle, stop! Morph into a giant spider!
Morphle, morph, morph!
Quick, Morphle! Fire your web at Orphle and stop him! Morphle! He's not stopping! Shoot some more web onto one of his wheels! Well done, Morphle! This is a monster truck, Orphle.
Oh!
Now we can have fun together! Every day is a magical day with a magic pet. I can hear the bus, but I can't see it, Morphle. Huh?
Huh? Bus Tiny!
A little bus and bus driver Stacy. How did this happen?
I have no idea. I was driving along and zap! I became tiny.
We have to get you back to your normal size.
Please hurry. I've got passengers to pick up.
We'll help. Morphle, morph into a bus.
Morphle, morph, morph!
Look! Everything's tiny! What's going on? Where's Officer Freeze?
Shoo! Get away from me! Shoo! Oh, thanks, Mila. The bandits shrunk me as I was about to get in my car.
I knew they'd be behind this. But how are we going to find them? I know! We'll follow the trail of shrunken things. Morphle, morph into a police car, and let's make today magical!
Morphle, morph, morph!
A mini soccer ball? A mini police station! They've even shrunk the ice cream truck!
What? Not in my city.
The bandits definitely came this way. But where are they now?
Tiny crane.
We have to get that shrink ray. Chase those bad bandits, Morphle. Give us that shrink ray, you naughty bandits.
Never! Let us go! Zap it! Now shrink Morphle! Hey, what's happening?
Papa, catch bandits!
Thanks for your help, Mila and Morphle. I think I'll keep you this size for a while.
Every day is a magical day with a magic pet. Look! A new lion is coming to the animal sanctuary.
I love lions.
Orphle love lions!
Lion! Lion!
Don't worry, Mechanic Joe. I think that was only Orphle. We'll find him. Morphle, morph into a sniffer dog.
Morphle! Morph, morph!
Yes, you've got Orphle's scent. Let's go and get him.
But it wasn't Orphle.
Yeah! Lion!
Morphle, morph into a safari truck.
Morphle! Morph, morph!
Lion?
Which way did Orphle go? Thanks.
They think the lion is Orphle.
There he is. Got him. Orphle, you're scaring everyone.
Orphle not scare anyone?
Lion! Morphle, Orphle, morph into toy mice.
Morphle and Orphle! Morph, morph!
To the animal sanctuary.
Thank you for getting him back safely. Come on, Toodles.
Bye, Toodles!
Every day's a magical day with a magic pet. Happy birthday, Morphle!
Look, I made the perfect Morphle red ice cream. We weren't invited to the party?
I don't want to celebrate with Morphle's dumb red ice cream, Uncle Yawn. I want purple ice cream and I want it now.
I've got a plan, Winston. We'll steal the ice cream truck and make some purple ice cream ourselves. My ice cream truck!
Let's get the ice cream truck back. Can you morph into something that will help us see the whole city?
Morphle! Morph, morph!
There it is! Oh no! We're stuck! Morphle, morph into a super suit!
Morphle! Morph, morph!
After we make purple ice cream, we'll throw our own party and invite no one!
Stop giggling and make it! That's not purple!
Ice cream gone!
Don't cry. Morph magnet hands so we can bring that truck back.
Morphle! Morph, morph!
New plan!
Run! They're getting away! Morphle, morph into a brachiosaurus to catch them.
Bracky, brack, 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 brack. Dino, morph, morph!
Still want my purple ice cream since I wasn't invited to Morphle's party!
Winston, is that why you stole Geraldo's truck? Oh, I'm sorry. You must have felt left out. Hey, I have an idea that will make everyone happy. Purple ice cream!
Thank you. I'm sorry we took your truck. Happy birthday, Morphle.
Yay!
Ew!
Hey everyone, look what I made. For my best friend.
Huh?
Morphle? I wanted to give him his badge.
What's this?
Uh-oh! Morphle, morph! Oh!
Morphle! Oh, I don't know where he is.
Don't worry, Mila. We'll find him together.
Thanks, April.
Where should we look first?
Let's go to all the places he loves, starting with
The ice cream truck.
Mila badge!
Oh, a best friend badge for me!
Morphle need badge!
You're not taking my badge! Can't find us here.
Geraldo! Have you seen Morphle? Oh no! Morphle's in trouble! I have to help.
But how do we get up there?
Morphle!
Mila!
Are you okay?
Bandits mean!
Morphle, morph into a super suit so we can stop them together.
Morphle! Morph, morph!
Oh!
We need to go faster. You stop right there, bandits.
Oh, fine. Here's your badge. Wait, you didn't make that for me?
Morphle, did you make this for me? I love it! Are you sad because you didn't get a badge?
Huh? Mila make Morphle badge!
Of course! You're not only my best friend, you make every day a magical day. It's Halloween, Morphle! What are you gonna dress up as?
Ghost!
Oh, spooky! Come on, let's go trick-or-treating!
Ghost!
Huh? Oh, Morphle, it's only your reflection!
Wait for Morphle!
Trick-or-treat!
A ghost!
Did you see how much candy they got?
Yeah, be a ghost and get the most.
Mila! Morphle! 2 real ghosts just stole my Halloween candy!
But, Jordy, ghosts aren't real.
Then what are they?
Candy.
No! Morphle, morph into a big robot and scare those ghosts away. Morphle?
I'll take that.
Oh, I'll zap you with my zapper.
Oh no, a zapper.
Morphle? Jordy!
Mila! Help!
Woo!
Not again.
I'll take that.
And I'll take this.
I recognize those shoes.
Uh-oh.
Give it back.
Without Morphle, you can't stop us.
Mila!
Morphle! I was worried about you. Morph into a bat and flap your wings hard.
Morphle! Morph, morph!
No!
I knew it was you two.
Let's split.
Our candy!
Morphle, morph into a spider and catch those bandits in your web.
Thanks, Mila and Morphle.
You're welcome. Thanks for helping even though you were scared.
Morphle no scared anymore.
Oh, every day's a magical day with a magic pet. Daddy's gonna love this cake we've made for him, Morphle.
Look tasty.
Daddy works so hard looking after us. He deserves a treat sometimes.
Whoa, cake! Orphle eat cake!
Hey, put that down! We've got to get that cake back. Morphle, morph into a space hopper.
Morphle, morph, morph!
You give that cake back, Orphle.
Why you?
Morphle, sorry!
You!
Orphle, no eat Daddy's cake!
Morphle, morph into a race car so we can catch Orphle.
Morphle, morph, morph!
Not Not again!
So sorry, Mr. Vanderboos. We made that cake for Daddy.
Come and get it!
Orphle's going to ruin Daddy's cake. We have to get it back. Morphle, morph into a robot. We can still make today magical.
Morphle, morph, morph!
That's the third time today!
Sorry!
Oh. No!
Morphle, catch that cake! Well done, Morphle. You saved the cake. We'll bring you a nice slice later, Mr. Vanderboos.
Oh.
Hey! What about Morphle?
We made you this cake, Daddy.
Oh, thank you. I hope you didn't go to any trouble.
No trouble, Daddy. Every day's a magical day with a magic pet. Ready to play hide and seek? Yay! Remember, don't leave the yard in case those pesky bandits are on the loose. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ready or not, here I come.
Are we there yet? Carry me.
I have a better idea. Let's steal that bike.
Found you.
You're too good at this game, Mila.
But I can't find Morphle. Can you see him anywhere?
Nope. He's hiding really well.
Morphle! Morphle! Come out wherever you are. Let's ask Magic Pet Glitterpug to turn us into Morphles. Wow, thanks!
Yay!
I'll morph into a race car to find him quickly.
If I can fly, I'll be able to look for Morphle all over the city. Awesome! I'm a superhero! I see Morphle! But the bandits have him. Oops!
Morphle!
Ah, stop! The bridge is going up!
We can make it!
I command you to stop! Hey!
Morphle! Morph into a helicopter to fly over the bridge!
Thanks, Mila. Now we have our own helicopter.
Yeah.
Hey! What's going on?
I've got an idea. Follow me.
Morphle, no bandit helicopter!
Quick, let's steal these bikes and get away. Uh-oh.
Mila!
Yes! It's me, Morphle. Jump in. Let's get these bandits back where they belong.
Sorry. Morphle do what Mila say next time.
It's okay. Every day's a magical day with morphing magic friends.
Good catch, Mila. It landed right in my hat.
Shark! There's a shark! help him. Morphle, morph into a speedboat so we can get there fast.
Morphle, morph!
We're coming to get you. Uh-oh.
Morphle stuck?
You're trapped in seaweed. I'll help you, Morphle. Are you okay?
I'm okay, but I didn't see where the shark went. I guess it swam away.
Morphle, you have to morph back into yourself to get free. Don't worry, you'll be safe, I promise. We're with you and the silly shark isn't around anymore. Let's play. How about follow the leader in the water? Follow me!
It's the shark again!
Morph!
Wait, I know that giggle. I think Orphle is just pretending to be a scary shark. He's pranking us.
That's not very nice.
No, it's not. Maybe we should show Orphle how his prank made us feel. Morphle, please morph into a bigger shark than Orphle.
Morph!
We won't be mean, Morphle. Just swim around Orphle. Orphle, it's not really a shark. It's Morphle. You pranked us, so I wanted to show you how it feels.
Orphle, sorry.
I'm sure you didn't mean to scare anyone.
Orphle, play.
Oh. Why don't we all play a game together?
Yeah!
We could play hide and soak.
Or dolphin polo. Morphle and Orphle can morph into dolphins and we can ride them.
Morphle and Orphle, morph!
Don't let the ball fall in the water. Shark!
It's just me.
It's not a shark. It's a daddy wearing his shark fin hat. Oh, Daddy.
Hey, how about a daddy and dolphins race?
Yeah! Every day's a magical day with a magic